watengeneze hiyo ground, ndio ukute tunaweza pata grounds mingi za kuchezea. Tafadhali. Lastly, these are requests that I've been told to give you about. We have county leagues, we have sub-county leagues, we have regional leagues, and we have Div 2 teams from the county that are participating. Tulikuwa tunauliza kama inawezekana ututafutia hata kama ni milioni 1 ama milioni 2, both boys and girls, to support county league ya wanaume na county league ya wasichana. And then the teams, we have about 16 teams that are going in regionals ambazo zimetoka Machakos County. Zikiweza kupewa at least something, some support itakuwa mzuri. Then we have 2 teams that are, na niko na woga sana kwa hizo team mbili, zinaweza patiana walkover for the remaining games because of finances. Ziangaliwe because most of our teams from Machakos zina perform vizuri, lakini unakuta they can't go to the next level because of finances. So we are asking that you come look into it, and this way tunaomba tuongeleshe my friend waziri aweze kututia kongamano na zile kampuni zote ziko huku Machakos. We come, we meet them and we talk to them, we tell them what we are doing, and so that they can support us, they can be able to great idea.
Naomba kwambua brief kabisa.
Habari zenu wote. Habari Madam Governor, President. Kwa kwanza nitakushukuru sana. Nilikujanga kwa ofisi yako miaka 10 iliyopita. Ukatuambia siku moja tutusaidia sisi wana mpira. Na yenyewe umekuwa ukifanya hiyo kitu. Ulikuwa commercial hapo juu. Kenko. Na tulikuja na ukatu promise. Thank you so much kwa vile unatufanyia, kwa sababu ulisema wewe unapenda mpira na unatufanyia kazi. Asante sana. Mimi yangu ni mbili. Hakuna mtaa haina wazee. Na hata saa hii kitu inafanyika, unaona hata Kenya wameanza kuchukua kina Wanyama, Mariga na nini na wengine. Hata sisi tuko na wazee hapa wale walichezanga mpira zamani. Nataka pia utukumbuke legends. Watoto wakionja pia si utuonjeshe kadogo, ndio tuweze kuguide hao watoto wetu na vile inafanyika. Ile ingine, the most important thing, ningekuomba kabisa governor, tuko na under 17 na mpira haiwezi kuwa bila kwa under 17. Maombi yangu ile kama ningekuomba kabisa na utusaidie katika kila vacation, at least tukue tunacheza mpira ya under 17, kwa sababu bila under 17 we are not going. Yangu ni hiyo tu.
Wale ambao wameongea, the four of you, kindly there is a request from waziri, you write that in a form of a memorandum, ndio mpatie ituo so that kutakuwa na follow up. Otherwise mmefanya vizuri, mjipigie kofi moja. Jambo la pili, we are going out there to witness the handing over of the certificate. Kwa hivyo nitaomba title deed, sorry. Oh, thank you. Handing over the title deed. Kwa hivyo zote tunawaomba title deed, sorry. Oh, thank you.
Thank you very much. Your Excellency, today was a very important day for us. As a department, we are seeing everything is going as per our
The President will, another symbolic gesture.
So we, on behalf of the Federation, I'm happy to provide some balls that we had promised to the county, especially for the children, primary school going children. So on behalf of the Federation, Governor, I receive the contribution from the National Office.
Thank you. We'll quickly go into the signing of some of the excerpt of the Memorandum of Understanding between Football Kenya Federation and Nairobi County. So we will start with, Machakos County. My apologies, Machakos County. I reside in Nairobi, so many a times I say Nairobi mainly. So we'll start with His Excellency the Governor on the signing process. Thank you, Governor. Now the President of Football Kenya Federation will sign his part. Thank you, President. Now we will proceed. If it is not done, is it done? Thank you. Yeah. Now we will then proceed to the official. Can take a picture with that together. That's the memorandum of understanding. Thank you. Now we will proceed. The Governor of Machakos County will formally present the title deed of the piece of land where the technical center will be constructed to the President of Football Kenya Federation.
That's your property now.
Now, I will hand over the ceremony to the President of FKF just for a few remarks. Just one remark, President.
Governor, Your Excellency, Wavinya Ndeti, members of Federation, all protocols observed. Mine is to just say, on behalf of FKF, I'm very excited. It's going to be a very exciting, of course, journey as we start this process of building the technical center here in Machakos. We are hoping that we will be able to do the groundbreaking very, very soon. My target is that by the end of this year, before the end of this year, we are able to start rolling out this project. We will have a five-star facility in this county, God willing, in the very near future. Sina mengi is to just encourage football stakeholders from across the country. Never give up. Let's keep the spirit going. Football is on an upward trajectory, and it is growing very, very fast around the world. But in Kenya, we must not be left behind. And we are going to catch up with everybody else, and we are going to be better. You have seen our performance in Chan lately. The national team is a revitalized team. We are committed to supporting women teams. We are committed to supporting youth across the country. So this is definitely something that we were dreaming of for very many years, and it has become a reality. Many people never believed that we would eventually be able to build our own technical center, but thanks to the support of the county government of Machakos through Her Excellency the Governor, we are able to be here to stand in front of you today to give you the assurance that this project is finally taking off. It was the one document that was remaining for us to unlock necessary funds that will be able to help us roll out. So I'm glad that we have overcome that key milestone, that hurdle, and now it is to roll out and look for other partners to ensure that we deliver this facility. It will come in different phases. We'll have phase 1, phase 2, phase 3, up to phase 5. So over the years, we'll keep improving on the facility so that we can have the best technical center, not only in Africa, but that can compete with any other football technical center in the world. So very soon, Machakos County will be the official headquarter of the Football Kenya Federation. So anasema asanteni sana, and Governor, once again, I have no words to express my gratitude. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you so much, Mr. President. I would really like to take this opportunity to really thank you and your team, and also thank my team. We started this journey some time ago, and when the former president came here to talk about the Technical Institute, I made it very clear. I said, Machakos is just next to Nairobi, and it will be easy for people to just travel here and then be trained here. And I'm happy when you came as the president, you did not kill the project. You took the project further. That shows me, Mr. President, that you're not just inward looking, you're an outward looking Kenyan with your team who want the best for Kenya. So I want to thank you so much, and want to assure you, me and my team here, we will make sure that we give you conducive environment to make sure that this project is finished, and finished very well. We will walk the journey together. This will not just be of benefit to the people of Machakos alone. This is for Kenya. So Kenyans who come here, and also economically, when you come here, Machakos will also grow economically. Our hotels, tourism, there's so much that we are going to get from this. So we want to thank you for that. And I also want to tell you, next to the Technical Institute, we are also building a level 6 hospital, which if our players come here and they have any issues, we'll have a private wing, and also we're going to have the common Mwananchi wing. So the hospital is there. It's already going to 2nd floor. We have already started it, and it's ongoing. We are also building an international stadium. We have started with Olympic size swimming pool. We have been working with the what federation? Swimming federation. Yeah, the swimming federation. We have been working with them, and they have come. They've checked the pool. They have told us what we should do, and we just want to make sure that we do what is right, so that when games come to Nairobi, the flow over can also come to Machakos County. We are also building indoor games where people can come and have indoor games. There will be also a walking trail where people can just walk in the evening and do some exercise even after work. And we're also building an international stadium. And we have agreed we are going to walk the journey with you. We have started, and we just want to start it with you so that we do not build the wrong thing. Yeah, so that we don't have to build and then start rebuilding again. So we've agreed to use your technical people so that we do the right thing. I just want to thank you so much. Na karibuni Machakos. You know, we host football here, you know, every weekend, almost every weekend, we have games going on in Machakos. We have even the police, everybody coming to play here at the stadium. And Nairobi can only grow this way. And you having the headquarters of FKF in Machakos County is something that we thank God for, and thank you very, very much. And this is not just for Machakos, this is for Kenya. Thank you. God bless.
Thank you.
Hello, thank you. Let us appreciate our guest, Vitena.
Thank you for the football. For the balls, we are going to give them to the schools. Thank you. We are going to give them to the schools, and some we are also going to give them to the football clubs, because they are all my children. So I have to share equally. Sindio? Nipatiane kwa mashule na nipatiane kwa clubs. Sini sawa? Permission granted?
Permission granted. Permission granted.
Sini sawa? Na ingine tena, the plug, the photo that you have given us, that will live for many years.
Yes.
That is history for Machakos. And not just for Machakos, for Kenya. You know, we are one people, one nation. And anything that we do for the benefit of our people and to the glory of God. So asanteni sana, Mwenyezi Mungu awabariki. Na kumalizia, Harambee Stars.
Yes.
Si mnaona vile tulifanya? Hii Sunday tunaombea wachape ifanye nini?
Ilale.
Wachape ifanye nini?
Ilale.
Wafanye nini? Wachape ilale. Lazima tushinde kama Harambee Stars. Si ndio? Let us all get wherever we, kama ni kwenda stadium, twende tukasupport timu yetu. Tuwapatie ile moral, si ndio? Na mimi kama governor, mimi kama mama ni kuwaombea na kuwashangilia. Si ni sawa? Na tuambia Mwenyezi Mungu aende mbele yao. Kabla hawajaingia kwa hiyo uwanja, Mwenyezi Mungu afanye nini? Atangulie. Hivyo tu ndio tunaweza kuwaombea. Kwa hivyo we are watching you, our boys, and we love you. Thank you for making us proud.
Thank you very much, Your Excellency. In 2 minutes, allow me to take some few photos, and kindly I'll request that we move a little bit this side and that side. And I'm going to start with